Here we have a function f given by u times square root of v. We need to obtain the partial of f with respect to u and partial of f with respect to v. Let us begin. So we'll start out with our given function. So we are given here a function f, which is a function of two variables u and v, and it's given by u times square root of v. Our goal will be to obtain the partial of f with respect to u, and then we'll also separately find out partial of f with respect to v. So let's begin with partial of f with respect to u. So what we'll do, we'll take partial with respect to u of this particular function u times square root of v. Now since we're taking the partial derivative with respect to u, here u is the variable. Everything else will be treated as a constant. So that means we are going to treat v as a constant. If v is a constant, then square root of v is also going to be a constant. We can pull it out from the inside of the derivative. So square root of v will get simply multiplied to partial with respect to u of u. Now this is a simple derivative. We can use the derivative rules for an ordinary derivative. So partial of u with respect to u, that's only going to be equals to 1. So that means our final value is going to be square root of v. That's the partial derivative of function f with respect to u. Now what we'll do, we'll try to calculate the partial derivative of f with respect to v. So that means we'll take partial with respect to v of the function u times square root of v. Now since we are taking the partial derivative with respect to v, so here v is the variable, meaning u will automatically become a constant. So we are going to pull it out of the derivative. So u will be multiplied to derivative with respect to v of square root of v, which we can also express as v raised to the power of 1/2. Using the rules of ordinary derivative, so here we will use the power rule to get half times v raised to the power of half minus 1, which means we have u divided by 2 times square root of v. So this is going to be the partial of f with respect to v. This is 2.